Hello, I'm Dr. Sung Shu of Keysight Technologies. We'll demonstrate the setup of AC mode imaging. First, go to the software. We'll choose the imaging mode, AC AFM. When the software is set up in AC AFM, you can tell from the laser align window that the yellow dotted line disappeared, and all you have is a green cross line and then the red dot. Here we need to adjust the detector so the laser dot is at the center of the detector window. The next is to tuning the cantilever. Here on top of the head, click this button. The tuning window shows up. Now this cantilever that we choose today is approximately 300 kilohertz cantilever. So we will add the auto tune, the start at auto tune, which is 50 kilohertz, and end auto tune is 400 kilohertz. That will cover the 300 kilohertz window. And then the peak amplitude we set up at 5 volts, and off peak is minus 0.1 kilohertz. We started tuning by click the auto tune. The software will scan the entire frequency from 50 kilohertz to 400 kilohertz to find the resonant frequency of this cantilever, and this process is automatic. Now the auto tuning stopped. We found out that the working frequency of this scanning is about 282 kilohertz, and driving percentage is 0.157%. We will put the integral gain into some lower number. Let's put somewhere like 1%, and P gain you don't have to change a lot. Now we're ready for approach. Here click the approach button. The sample will start to step into the tip, as we can see from this approach in progress window. Again, this process depends on how far is the sample away from the tip. Could be several minutes to 10-20 minutes. When tip and sample engage, the approach progress window disappears. Next, we could optimize the gain by add a reasonable number to start with. Let's put 10%. And then we move our cursor to the scan window and put a scan size to 1 micron, X offset and minus 1 micron, angle is 0, and we choose 256 pixel by 256 lines. Scan speed, approximately 2.5 line per second. We click start. The AFM will start to scan. Here let's look at the live scan window. We have 4 windows. We have topography, amplitude, phase, and we have topography retrace. Click the A button. The software will automatically adjust the color scale to have the best contrast. We'll set the file name by pull down the file menu and check set file name. Here it is Alumina, and we're imaging in AC mode. So we made a name as Alumina AC mode. Click save. When you click save, the image is not saved until the end of the scan, and then it will be saved. And here in the pull down menu, we also choose auto save every frame. Here, in order to optimize the imaging parameter, you could play with the I gain and P gain. Increase the I gain will make the image appear to be sharper, but when the gain is too high, the image will be more noise. Let's click on this topography and then make it bigger. And let's increase this I gain from 15% to 25%. As you can see, the image started to show an oscillation noise. That oscillation noise is an indication that your I gain is too high. So you need to reduce that I gain until this noise disappears. Here at 20%, this noise disappears. Actually 18% the noise is even lower.